What's going on, everybody? My name is Taetro for ADSR, and in today's course we are going to be talking about making lo-fi beats with the MPC One. Now, in collaboration with ADSR, we have put together 10 kits to get you started making lo-fi beats on the MPC One, and an even bigger library of samples to choose from. And throughout this course, I'm going to show you not only how to use these samples, but how to work with them and manipulate them to make them sound more lo-fi, and how to use the already built-in power of the MPC One to create your own lo-fi sound. We'll dive into working with samples, using audio effects to make things sound super lo-fi, and we'll be getting into musically how to make a lo-fi beat. So let's get started and make some lo-fi beats with the MPC One.
Baby.